folks, welcome to my channel. My name is Akash. In this particular video, we will be going to understanding about what is a confusion matrix is all about. Okay, so what my plan is basically, what I will do is I will make this particular understanding break down in the simple terms. Okay, uh, what my agenda will be in this particular video. I will just make a thing so that you will understand. So what I will do is I will make you understand uh, what's a confusion matrix in simple terms. Okay, confusion matrix. I will write it as CM. It is not a chief minister. It is a confusion matrix, folks. Okay, so it's a confusion matrix, and I will be explaining in the simple terms. All right. I will be explaining this particular thing in simple terms. ST is nothing but simple terms I will be explaining. Okay, what is confusion is matrix is all about in the sense of data science, and we'll try to understand each particular terminology for multiple performance matrix as well. Okay, all right. I hope this got you clarity now. All right. So, like a confusion matrix is like a report card. Understand? It's like a report card. Okay, how you do the exams, and you will be going to give the report cards, right? Like how your performer for particular thing. So, for any kind of a that machine is learned, so there will be a report card. This is a report card. Okay, so report card confusion matrix is nothing but what? Understand, it's a report card for machine learning. Okay, it is a report card. Confusion matrix. What is a confusion matrix? Confusion matrix is a report card for the machine learning. Okay, are you understanding? I am right telling this in very simple terms. For machine learning model, MLM. It's not a multi-level marketing, folks. It's a machine learning model. Okay, I hope this you got the idea. Okay, confusion matrix is like a report card for a machine learning model. So what this particular report card will tell is, it will tells that, okay, what this report card will tell you the model is doing. It shows how well the model is doing in predicting the things. How this model good at it predicting the things. Good at predicting the things. GPT, not a good at predicting the things. GAPT. Okay, good at predicting things. Okay, I hope this got the clarity. So it will be having a matrix compares what model predicted with what actual happened. It is called as what actual happened, and what is it has been predicted, that is nothing but a confusion matrix. Okay, because it helps us to where the model might get confused, like what actually it has to be done, or whatever the things is all about. Okay, in data science, the confusion matrix, like if you wanted to talk about in the data science, the confusion matrix is a table. Okay, it's a table which will help us to evaluate the performance, right? It will help us to evaluate the performance of a machine learning model, particularly in classification tasks. Right. So imagine you have a model that predicts over a email like spam or a ham. Right. Take another use case where let's take another use case. So there is another use case like you have built the model. You want to classify spam or ham. Right. So spam or ham. Uh, not ham. So spam or not ham, spam or not ham, not spam. This confusion matrix help us to understand how the well the model makes this prediction. So this matrix, in this matrix, will have certain factors. Okay, we'll call it as true positive, true negative. Okay, we'll try to understand what this particular mean, and we'll try to understand with particular one question. I will going to explain you what this true positive, true negative is all about. We'll try to understand this terminology. What is this terminology is all about? We'll try to understand this, and how we can if anyone asks in the interview, how you can approach this particular problem. Okay, are you understanding? This is a thing basically, folks. Okay, so true positives, true negative, okay, and false positive, false negative. These are the four things you have to understand, folks. Okay, false positive and false negative. Okay, anyone talks about what is a confusion matrix, make sure you understand. Okay, what is a confusion matrix? You have to talk about that, and what are the factors, four important numbers that we will be going to consider. That is also you have to uh, tell in this tell to the recruiter or anyone asks you. Okay, there are cases, there are like in the true positive I'm talking about. Okay, there are cases where the model predicted the email as a spam, but it is actually spam, right? Email, see, where the model predicted email as a spam, where it was actually spam. Okay, let's say understand. So classification tells that it is also a spam, and it is actually the mail which is there, it is also spam, then it is nothing but a true positive. Are you understanding? Are you getting the point, folks? Okay. So pause the video and understand, imagine and understand the things, folks, here. Now, what you will say in true negative. Okay. Pause this video. Try to tell this. We have talked about true positive. What you think about the true negative now? Like now, there will be a cases where model predicted email as a not spam, but it was indicated a not spam. Okay, are you understanding? Where model predicted email as a not spam, and it was indeed a not spam only. So that is also true negative. Okay, it is a not spam, and it is also told not spam only. It is a true negative, right? Are you getting the point, folks? Now we'll try to understand about false positive. There are cases where model predicted email as a spam, but it wasn't not spam. Okay, false positive is like it predicted, okay, email predicted as a spam, but it was a not spam. Okay, so it is nothing but a false positive. Understand this particularly. Okay, false negative. What's this false negative is all about? There are the cases where model predicted email as a not spam, but it was actually spam. Okay, it it was not spam, but it was actually spam. So what it here missed the word email, not spam, but actually it was a spam. Okay, are you understanding? So this is a particular understanding false positive and false negative, right? In the false positive, what happens? Model predicted email as a spam, but it was not spam, and in email it told that it is a not spam, but it is actually spam, right? It is something like that, folks. Okay, false positive is like where the model predicted emails as a spam. Positive way it is telling falsely. Okay, but it was not a spam. Okay, are you understanding? So here what it will tell is it is a spam, not spam. In the false negative it is telling not spam, but it is actually a spam. Are you understanding this? Understand with the terminologies, folks. It's very easy. Okay, here it will say the spam, but it will be not a spam. It is a not a spam, but it model is predicting not a spam, but it is actually a spam. Okay, so this is a particular understanding from this. True positive is nothing but it is a spam, and the model is also predicting the spam, and email is also spam. Okay, okay, I understand. So here it is not a spam, model is also predicting not spam, and it is also not spam. This is a condition understanding with the things here. Now we'll try to understand with another things now. So I will just take another blackboard, whiteboard, so you will understand in greater details, folks. Okay, so I hope this will give you a clarity the things here. Okay, so let's get started now. we'll just get dive into the looking at this numbers confusion matrix we can calculate. So confusion matrix has the confusion matrix, okay, CM has various metrics. Confusion matrix has a various metrics. Okay, we have a various metrics to measure. Okay, you have to understand this. We have various metrics. We understood true, positive, true, negative, everything sort of stuffs now. So this confusion matrix has a various metrics. What are that metrics is all about now? So various metrics like such as accuracy, precision. Okay, accuracy. I will write like this: accuracy, precision, precision, recall, then F1 score. Okay, recall and F1 score. Recall and F1 score. Okay, these are the four metrics in the confusion matrix we'll talk about. We'll try to understand about the accuracy. So it tells how often the model is correct overall. Okay, so accuracies will tell that how overall the accuracy is correct overall. Okay, so how often the model is correct overall how much percentage it has been correct, this model is correct. Okay, so that is nothing but an accuracy. So what's the precision is all about now? Precision tells us how many of the emails predicted as a spam which are actually a spam. Okay, so whatever the classification problem you are talking about, how many of the email which is predicted as a positive, which is positive. Okay, just think like that. Okay, one of the classification not or this, right? Which is classified, which is a positive. It will be going to talk about that. Okay, understand in very simple words, folks. I'm just breaking down this particular understanding in simple terms. Okay, accuracy tells overall how your model is correct, overall how your model is correct overall. Okay, precision, what it tells about, it will tells that how many of email was predicted was spam. Okay, actually a spam, and it was this is a particular precisely it will be going to tell. Okay, what is a recall now? It will tell us how many of the actual spam emails the model correctly predicted. Okay, so understand that in the recall it will talk about how many it was correctly predicted that it is a spam emails. Okay, are you understanding? So how many it is correctly predicted precisely means how many uh, email predicted as a spam which was actually a spam. Okay, okay, are you understanding, which was a spam and it was predicted also a spam. Okay, model predicted also spam, and it was also a spam. So that is nothing but precision. Accuracy, it will talk about how overall how it is correctly model has been classified that particularly. Okay, recall will tells you that how many of the actual spam emails that model correctly spam emails the model correctly predicted actually the spam email, and how it is correctly predicted. Okay, so how the emails, how the particular problem has been correctly been predicted, that has been, this is a classification we have to do it. Okay, so F1 score is a combination of precision and recall. It is a providing a balanced measure of model performance. Okay, F1 score, it is a balanced measure. Okay, of precision and recall. Balanced measure of precision and recall. Don't go with my handwriting, folks. Okay, it is like I can understand it is. Go with the understanding what I am talking about. Okay, precision and recall. So I wanted to make this particular video so that you will understand it in greater details. Okay, if you want, let me know in comment section, folks, how do you like this particular understanding. So let me know about it. Okay, so I will make a remake a complex terms if you like that. Let me know in the comments section, folks. So this is the things which I wanted to talk about, what the confusion matrix is all about, how the things is all the stuffs actually. Okay, so let me get dive into the obsidian part, so where I have collected this particular formulas, folks. Okay, like which we have already talked about it, right? Like this is a table where actually TP TN. Okay, TP and TN. So okay, so TP and TN. So here TP will come false and negative. The base is negative. TP FN FP TN. See, understand TP TN. It will comes like this. FNFP, it comes like this. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so we'll try to understand this particular thing we have understood. Like this is a basic measure, like error rate. If you want to find it out, a false positive plus false negative plus P plus N, sensitivity, specificity, recall or true positive rate. They will be calling true negative rate, specificity. Okay, so this is a particular thing, folks. Okay, so you can just have a go through it. So I made this particular video to understand it better, like what's the confusion matrix is all about. Like there are, I have seen in this particular, a lot of YouTube channel is talking about jargon words but not able to understand the core idea what's this is talking about it. That is particular video, in this particular video we have discussed. So let me know in comment section below, folks, so how you feel about this like video kind of a, like which we have, I have done it. It is like a kind of a very jargon words I can understand. So let me know in comments down below how do you see this particular videos.